Welcome to the $0 to $10,000 in 30 days with Amazon KDP ads. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach and welcome. So let's get started. Day 20. We have 10 more days. We literally have to make $1,000 each day. How are we going to do that? Still nothing, which is fine. Alright. So as you can see, looks like we're going to come very short to that goal. However, nothing happens before it's time. But if you guys have been finding value in these videos of me uploading, showing what I'm doing, make sure to hit the subscribe button to keep in tune with my channel. More things to come. I'm going to be doing some more 30-day challenges, some 7-day challenges. If there's anything that you guys want to learn about entrepreneurship or building wealth, leave it in the comments below and I'll make a video about it. So the impressions went up a bit. I got a few more clicks. I'm paying more money, but we don't want to be paying more. We want to see some sales come in. So let's see here. The journal. The journal starting to spend money, but nothing's coming in. Little clicks here there, not anything special. Okay, so neither of those. Let's go to the Canadian side. Canadian side I raised the bids, but oh, we finally got impressions. Wow! And this shot up. Holy, it's been forever. I would never hit 3 digits. We spent 38 cents. I ain't mad at that. 38 cents. Holy, finally! I'm more excited that I spent money in ads than I actually made a sale. So this one, loose match, 38 cents. So let's add clicks. Let's see. So one click came in for 38 cents. It's not bad. And now I have mine at 75 cents. Okay, so maybe it takes a bit of time. So for now, let's leave that. Let's see what happens. Let's see what search term came up. Okay. I don't see how either of these are related, but sure. Got them in the mix there, but okay. We'll take it. Oops. Oh, that's a move okay. I move my box, but it won't move. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Go back to marketing. So we're getting a bit of traction, or starting to. Let's see what UK is saying. Okay, so I'm getting impressions, but nothing yet. So that's fine. So we have 10 days left. If you guys have any suggestions or ideas, shoot it my way. What I think I'm gonna probably do is another trick I've heard was decrease my prices on my books by like maybe 5 cents to see if that entices people to purchase the books. once this journey is done, I don't plan to quit. I plan to continue to see how much it takes or how long it takes to achieve the 10,000 goal per month. And once I hit it, I'm gonna be devising a book, workbook course. Not exactly sure which route I'm gonna be going, and I'm gonna be presenting, or I'll make a video of everything that I did. So pretty much the 30 days or however many days it took me, I'll compile that into one video, just pretty much giving you step by step as to what I did to get to the 10K. I'm not gonna put any fluff in there because a lot of people are posting that, oh, you can make $10,000, you can make 6 figures with Amazon KDP, and it's like, yeah, but how long did it take you to actually make that money? So I think a lot of people on YouTube are capping, but that's fine. To each their own, right? So if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to leave it in the description below. So if there's a video that you would like me to make on Amazon KDP, let me know. I might make a video on how to make a coloring book to show you guys. If you guys do want that video, just leave the comment below to let me know, or hit the like button. And yeah, I'm working on another book. Hopefully I can get it finished before the 30 days so I can upload that. Also have a low content idea in my head. I just gotta find the images. Hopefully I can get that done sooner than later. Just a lot of things just been popping up left, right, and center. So hopefully I can get that done. But yeah, 20 days. I'm proud of myself for sticking with this journey. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos and found some tips that you can also use for your KDP books. If you want me to even run a masterclass on the production from the idea to the end of end product, I can most definitely do a masterclass for you guys, or even yeah, a masterclass. Put a masterclass together for you guys, run that, and then yeah, get you started. Because a lot of us, we have so many great ideas, but what's stopping us is we don't know where to start or how to start, or we're not confident to start. So I'm here to help you in any of those areas. And I'm excited for tomorrow because we hit the 3-week mark and then we have 1 week left. So hopefully within the next 10 days, we get $1,000 today, $1,000 tomorrow, $1,000 on the 10th day to get us to the $10,000. I hope you found value in this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch this video next on how to make money with no money. Or you can start from the beginning and watch my 0 to 30 day challenge to hit $10,000. See you tomorrow.